The GVS SPR457 Elipse P100 Respirator offers very high filtration efficiency against fine dusts, fumes, and many hazardous particulates often encountered in workshops and construction settings. Its compact, low-profile design sits close to the face, preserving a wide field of view and working smoothly with safety glasses and hearing protection. The respirator is remarkably lightweight, which makes it comfortable to wear for long tasks without the neck strain or pressure points common with bulkier masks. Breathing resistance is pleasantly low, so it feels natural to inhale and exhale even during more strenuous work, helping to reduce fatigue over a full day. The facepiece is made from a soft, odor-free, hypoallergenic elastomer that seals well while remaining gentle on sensitive skin and avoiding latex or silicone. Replaceable P100 filters are included and are designed for long service life, making this respirator a practical, reusable choice for serious dust and fume protection.